Trecol Arktica. The Trecol Arktica is a cutting-edge Russian all-terrain vehicle designed for extreme environments like Arctic tundras, swamps, and icy terrains. Built for both commercial and expeditionary uses, this amphibious truck features a robust design that allows it to traverse nearly any surface, including water. Its unique soft, ultra-wide tires provide exceptional ground pressure reduction, enabling safe passage over snow and boggy ground. These tires also add a layer of safety, reportedly capable of running over soft obstacles without causing damage. The truck is powered by a reliable diesel engine, offering sufficient torque for heavy-duty applications, while maintaining durability in harsh climates. In addition to its rugged capabilities, the Trecol Arktica is known for its resilience and safety. The vehicle is reportedly resistant to environmental challenges such as extreme cold and encounters with wildfire. Pininfarina Electric Transformer House. The Pininfarina Electric Transformer House (F) is an innovative electric RV concept designed for sustainable off-grid living and mobile workspaces. Developed by AC Future with Pininfarina's sleek design expertise, the F features expandable walls, transforming its 20-foot length into a spacious 29-foot luxury home with 400 square feet of living space. It boasts modular interiors, including a retractable steering wheel to create a workspace, making it perfect for digital nomads. Key eco-friendly technologies include rooftop solar panels generating up to 25 kilowatt-hours of energy, an atmospheric water generator producing 50 liters of clean water daily, and Starlink satellite internet for global connectivity. The F is equipped to stay off-grid for up to 7 days and is built with a gross vehicle weight of 19,000 pounds. Its modern, boxy exterior integrates LED lighting and a bus-like greenhouse aesthetic. While still a concept, AC Future hints at a combination of electric and gasoline-powered versions, targeting production by 2025. Hyundai Trailer Drone. The Hyundai Trailer Drone is a cutting-edge, hydrogen-powered concept designed for autonomous freight transportation. Showcased as part of Hyundai's Hydrogen Vision 2040, this innovative system combines fuel cell technology with advanced autonomy to revolutionize logistics. It features hydrogen-powered e-bogies, enabling precise movement and independent operation for enhanced efficiency. The trailer drone is powered by next-generation hydrogen fuel cells, offering a remarkable range. Kenworth SuperTruck2. The Kenworth SuperTruck2 represents a groundbreaking leap in freight efficiency, achieving an impressive 136% improvement over the 2009 Kenworth T660. This advancement was made possible through cutting-edge aerodynamics, lightweight design, and hybrid powertrain integration. The truck features a streamlined, bullet train-inspired design with enclosed wheels, camera-based mirrors, and a variable height suspension system, reducing drag by 48%. Trucking Dive. New Atlas. The powertrain combines a Packer MX-11 diesel engine, a TX-12 automatic transmission, and a 48-volt hybrid system, which enables regenerative braking and powers ancillary systems. This design achieves a record 55.7% engine efficiency, significantly reducing fuel consumption to 12.8 miles per gallon, nearly doubling traditional heavy-duty truck performance. Expandable Trailer. The latest expandable trailers in 2024 emphasize functionality, durability, and comfort, making them ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals needing versatile mobile spaces. These trailers feature lightweight yet robust construction, often employing aluminum framing and fiberglass exteriors for easy towing and durability. Many models come equipped with solar power systems, tankless water heaters, and energy-efficient insulation to enhance sustainability and off-grid capabilities. Leo's Vacation Center, San Antonio RVS. Interior designs prioritize modern amenities such as full kitchens with solid surface countertops, LED lighting, and spacious sleeping arrangements. Features like slide-out sections, panoramic windows, and underbelly storage improve usability and livability. High-tech upgrades include built-in entertainment systems, temperature-controlled heating systems, and expanded solar panel options for better energy autonomy. Boral FMAS. The Boral FMAS, forward-moving aggregate spreader, is a groundbreaking innovation in road construction that enhances safety and efficiency during spray seal surfacing. Unlike traditional methods, which involve reversing trucks, the FMAS spreads aggregate from the front using a conveyor belt and spreader box. This design eliminates the dangers associated with reversing, such as accidents involving spotters and collisions with infrastructure like power lines or trees. Developed in collaboration with Iveco and supported by regulatory calls for safer road construction practices, the FMAS meets stringent safety standards and has been adopted by road authorities like VicRoads. It streamlines operations, reduces costs, and improves worker safety by removing the need for spotters and complex maneuvering. Additionally, the forward-moving design supports faster project completion, contributing to overall productivity gains. LEFORT. LEFORT is a renowned name in the recycling industry, producing heavy-duty shears, balers, and shredders designed for metal processing. The company recently showcased the KAMAZ 2000T, a powerful mobile shear baler with an immense capacity for handling large-scale metal recycling projects. This unit exemplifies LEFORT's commitment to efficiency, durability, and adaptability in harsh working environments. LEFORT. Additionally, LEFORT is celebrating its 75th anniversary, reflecting a legacy of innovation and expertise in heavy equipment manufacturing. Its recent acquisitions, such as Copex, and a focus on advanced models like the Conqueror 1000T and Track 650, highlight its drive toward expanding product capabilities and market reach. Knapen Trailers. Knapen Trailers, a leader in the moving floor trailer industry, has recently introduced the Speedster leak-proof floor system. This innovative system, designed for transporting liquid-rich loads, improves efficiency by unloading 22% faster than its predecessor. It achieves this with smaller cylinders and a lightweight construction that reduces the system's weight by 200 kilograms, enabling greater cargo capacity. The system also features enhanced maintenance accessibility and individual cylinder replacements, ensuring cost-effective operation. Knapen Trailers homepage. In celebration of its 40th anniversary, Knapen Trailers has emphasized its tradition of innovation. Highlights include revolutionary designs like the self-supporting trailer and Europe's first moving floor trailer with side doors. The company continues to innovate with solutions such as the X-Side trailer, offering a massive 12.9-meter side door opening. Super Dumps. The Super Dump is a specialized dump truck designed to maximize payload capacity and efficiency while adhering to federal and state weight laws. It achieves this through the strong arm trailing axle, which can extend the vehicle's overall axle length, enabling it to carry payloads of up to 26 tons. This system makes it one of the most productive dump trucks on the market, allowing for quick turnaround times while maintaining excellent maneuverability. The 2024 models introduce advanced features such as an improved dump body design for durability and optimized weight distribution. Additionally, the new IntelliTruck system offers state-of-the-art control and monitoring, enhancing operational efficiency. The trailing axle has been upgraded to include the strong arm air ride option, providing smoother operation and improved stability. Compared to standard dump trucks or trailer-based systems, Super Dumps deliver significant advantages by combining large payload capacity with the agility of smaller trucks. This results in higher profitability, especially for mid-range hauling jobs, as they can perform more trips in less time. Futuria. The Futuria is a high-end motorhome designed for unparalleled luxury and versatility, blending a futuristic design with exceptional functionality. Produced by Most Mobile Specials, It offers a combination of sleek aesthetics and advanced features for an elite travel experience. The motorhome boasts a guest area with seating for up to 10 people on a U-shaped sofa, complemented by a premium sound system and an artificial fog generator for entertainment. Practical amenities include a fully automatic Miele coffee machine, microwave, 80-liter fridge, and even space for an industrial dishwasher. It is powered by an onboard generator and features multiple 230V sockets for additional devices. Sleeping accommodations include 2 bedrooms with luxurious finishes, plus a large additional bed in the driver's cabin. The interiors are meticulously crafted with imitation leather ceilings and highly durable, carpeted floors. Enhanced climate control and a glossy, soundproof ceiling ensure Caterpillar AD60. The Caterpillar AD60 is a robust underground mining truck, known for its efficiency and durability in challenging mining environments. It features the Cat C27 engine, delivering a powerful output of 805 horsepower and meeting stringent Tier 2 emission standards. The truck has a nominal payload capacity of 60 metric tons, approximately 132,277 pounds, making it suitable for heavy-duty material transportation in underground operations. The AD60 is engineered for durability and reliability, using proven components and systems designed for rugged conditions. Its design incorporates advanced safety features and ergonomic considerations, ensuring operator comfort and efficiency during long shifts. The truck also boasts ease of maintenance, with accessible components that minimize downtime and operational costs. Heavy Equipment Guide. Mine Listings. Machine.market. This model is part of Caterpillar's comprehensive line of underground mining vehicles, highlighting the Farizon Homtruck cabless. The Farizon Homtruck cabless is a groundbreaking electric autonomous truck designed for specialized applications in controlled environments such as ports, logistics hubs, and mines. Built by Geely's Farizon Auto, this truck leverages Level 4 autonomous driving technology, eliminating the need for a traditional driver's cab. It features an enhanced protective shell and advanced radar and sensor systems for precise environmental scanning and safe operation on fixed routes. This innovative vehicle is part of Farizon's vision to revolutionize green logistics, with its initial tests conducted in Chinese ports starting in 2023. The Homtruck cabless aims to extend its use to other scenarios, including mining and long-haul logistics parks. It underscores Farizon's focus on sustainability and intelligent transport, aligning with the company's broader goals to expand its global market reach. Walmart Advanced Vehicle. Walmart Advanced Vehicle Experience, WAVE, is a concept truck designed to revolutionize transportation efficiency. First unveiled in 2014, WAVE combines cutting-edge aerodynamics, lightweight materials, and advanced powertrain technology to reduce fuel consumption and emissions significantly. The truck features a futuristic, bullet-shaped cab with a sleek, aerodynamic design aimed at minimizing drag. The cab is made from lightweight carbon fiber, enhancing durability while cutting weight. The driver's cockpit incorporates a central seating position and digital controls, offering optimal visibility and an innovative driving experience. WAVE's powertrain options emphasize sustainability. Early prototypes incorporated a hybrid electric system and explored compatibility with alternative fuels like natural gas. Walmart continues to explore electrification advancements to align with its goal of achieving zero emissions in its supply chain by 2040. Vision TX. The Vision TX is a futuristic truck concept showcasing advanced innovations for sustainable and efficient transportation. This cab-over design emphasizes both environmental responsibility and cutting-edge technology. It incorporates electric and potentially hybrid powertrains aimed at reducing emissions while maintaining high-performance standards. The truck features automation capabilities, such as route planning, freight tracking, and integration with smart logistics networks. A significant highlight of the Vision TX is its use of connected technology, enabling real-time updates on traffic, cargo availability, and parking solutions. This connectivity optimizes operational efficiency and reduces downtime for freight operators. The Vision TX also supports autonomous driving on highways, minimizing driver fatigue and enhancing safety. Its aerodynamic design is tailored to improve energy efficiency, further underscoring its focus on sustainability.